Everyone asked to see where trains die. I'm here. Sodor Ironworks. The ground is soaked in oil and fear. If I don't make it out, look for me in the scrap. Like while I'm alive.
No. The electricity left with the people. Only rust remains. This is a graveyard of parts. Wheels, funnels. The funnel is still warm, like it was just cut off. That's impossible.
Cranky. He fell. Even he couldn't take it.
Main smelter. Chimneys smoking. But that's not smoke. Dead pixels. Light inside. Are they smelting metal or souls? Lava underfoot? No. It's glitch fluid. Conveyor of death. They dismantle them here. Jesus, that's Toby's face, just hanging on a hook. The Iron Twins. They always worked here. They are waiting. They aren't separated. The glitch stitched them together. Airy has no eyes. He is scanning. They are active. Run! They woke up. Twins are active. Need to get to the upper levels. Up, faster. They crawl on the floor. They can't climb. I'm up. It's hotter here. The whole factory is visible. Look, they are trying to ram the support. Mad machines. What's that ahead? Web? No, it's steel cables, woven like a nest. It's quiet here. Too quiet. The twins are left behind. There! On the ceiling! Blue body, number 1. Thomas? Oh God. He has legs. He has spider legs. Back! Run! Dead end! He cornered me! Jumping into the coal. It's the only chance. I'm alive. The coal cushioned the fall. Where is he? He couldn't have stayed behind. He's on the belt, running against the flow. The belt goes into the furnace. We need to jump off. He's stuck. Burn him. While he's holding on, I have a lead, looking for a way out. He got out. I hear the clicking. He is very angry. Rack maze. I'll try to lose him. He's coming through! Door. Normal human door. He won't fit. Locked! Damn it! Open! I lost him. Seems the door held him back. He's too wide. Quiet zone. No machines here. Smells like old books and dust. Red paint, gold stripes. It's James, number 5. He's sleeping, or deactivated. Look at his face. He didn't suffer.
And here is Henry, the green giant. He was always afraid of the rain. Now he stands dry forever.
Nature takes over. Mushrooms growing right out of the coal. Life on a corpse.
Emily. Beautiful Emily.
Her brass has oxidized. She looks like a Victorian ghost. Tight here, dust choking my throat. Quiet as a crypt.
I see the exit. Gates chained shut, but there's a gap. We're almost out.
No. No. How did he find me? Quiet.
He's here! He blocked the exit! Back, into the maze. He'll get stuck between the trains.
Under Emily, faster!
Stabbing right through them!
Service hatch, over there.
Just open, please, no rust.
He won't fit. He's too fat for that door. Eat bricks, Thomas.
Did you see that? Whew! I'm breathing again. I'm out here now.
Oh, you're here too, so I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to go to my playlist, and there are a lot more cool stories there.